Okay, let's come with the new feature of alarm. How it's look alarm in Windows 10. It's much better than Windows 8.1. You just cannot believe it. You just start it. I've already pinned the alarm switch button. This one in the start screen. I need it frequently. Okay. The options it will present here is alarm, wall clock, timer and stopwatch. You can see that you can set alarm so smoothly and in a detailed manner. Like, just go to here, click on plus. Now the time will come. You can get the details of time 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 as you like it. You can also set minutes as well. Then do save it. Or you can change the alarm name here. You can make a different repetition time here about Monday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, whatever you want. Sound, default sound, you can use vibration only or only to ring, or you can check from the pick from music or from ringtones, whatever you can want. It is totally fully customized system. Windows 10 is totally customized system. Let's come back and you can save it from here. Do the save option. Yes, it has been saved. The timing is this. It has been saved. Okay. Next come to the feature of wall clock. See, it's 16:10. And here it is also 16:10. Remember this, it will net two things. Number one is location. Number two is your internet service. But if you keep both this off, they will show you the last option, last time upgraded according to your location of your area. It will set your last upgradation time up to there. If you change the location, if you change the internet service from one place to another, it will change accordingly. Wow, great feature, thumbs up. Next feature, it's timer. Wow, it's a great feature I think in Windows 10. Why so? Let's start. You can put three things together. Let's see, this is the hour, this is minutes and this is seconds. Click here. You can change the timer to 1 minute and 28 seconds. Easily you can do this. Timer name, you can change it and put save. Okay, it is starting. Now you can do 1 minute a complete yoga or any asana you can start, and you can put the timer, just play like it's on. See, it is calculating. The time is reducing by length, and now after the time will end, the alarm will automatically beep. Somehow you want to see the time and you are doing pranayam. It's very difficult to look your head down and see like this. Then you can do one thing set. You can put this arrow marking. It will be in the alert share and the timer is calculating. It's a great feature. You can put it and stand it somewhere like this. Good feature of Windows. Okay, and you can press like this. It will start from the beginning. Suppose I have been disturbed by something, or your children or kids or your parents or someone is calling you and you felt the disturb, you can restart from it, or you can put the pause up to this. Again you are starting. That means the time is already been calculating, and within the short time you have just put a break. Okay, next feature, stopwatch. Wow, it's also a great feature. Same like this. Take the stopwatch, put the watch over here. It's calculating. Okay, stop it. You can make it bit size, or you can start from the beginning, or start like this. It's totally a great feature it's having. Okay. You can also share the value whatever your timer is doing. Like in WhatsApp you can share it like this. Let's choose someone. You can see the difference that your current lap is this. The current lap time, split time. You can get the details. You can easily share all the values. It's a great feature, amazing feature of Windows. Let's come to the new feature.